So hi, what is up everyone? My name is Nurul Jannah and today I'll be doing like an unboxing for the month of November. Okay, so I realized that the light over here is slightly brighter, so I do apologize that, and I have already switched off one of the lights. So okay, so we move on to the unboxing. It wouldn't be as huge as last month. It's just whatever that I got and some of the products that I won during a lucky draw. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so before we proceed, hi, my name is Nurul Jannah. I am a makeup enthusiast here in Singapore. So please do like, subscribe and ring on to the notification bell for any upcoming videos. Okay, so yeah, let's move on, shall we? Okay, so the first brand that I actually received is from MAC Cosmetics. I actually won their giveaway via Instagram. So this is what I actually get. Okay, so I'm going to show you roughly what I got and I'll open up and do some swatches. Okay, so the first one is the Surprise Eyes Eyeshadow X. Oh, that's ×6 and it's called Reach. Okay, so the next item that I got is Ace Your Face Look in a Box Red. Okay, so the theme is very holiday spiral kind of situation. Okay, the next product that I got is Tiny Trix Mini Lipstick Trio in red. Okay, I will be doing like a giveaway for this Tiny Trix Mini Lipstick Trio because I bought like the Vault, the same holiday collection but in Vault. So I don't think I need like any more like mini lipsticks. So yeah, this I shan't do any swatches. Okay, so the next item that I got is, or I got for myself, is from a grab bags, and it's from like influencer in Singapore. So, and one of the items also includes MAC Cosmetics. And the next item that I got is a magic charmer. It's a lipstick, matte lipstick, also from the same holiday collection. I'm going to do to open at least one or two items. Okay, so under the Ace Your Face Look in a Box, so it comes in like so. It looks like a book where you can actually give this to someone. You can see that there is a to and from, which is definitely a very genius idea if you are planning to give it to someone. So it comes in this black plastic tissue, black tissue paper. Okay, so inside there is a E for Effortless lipstick. Okay, I'm just afraid that it might fall. So Last Dance Dazzle Shadow, looks like this. Okay, a Technical Liner Eyeliner Kajal. I have this one in the shade black if I'm mistaken. And the last one is a Prep and Prime lip, and it looks like so. Okay, moving on to this magic charmer. I don't think I have this shade, so I absolutely love the packaging. Okay. Oh, I love this shade, man, so lovely. Okay, yeah, it has that standard MAC punya smell. So it is like this burgundy shade. Okay, so the next one from MAC that I'm going to do some swatches is the eyeshadow. So I've seen this. Again, it comes in like a book. Okay, so it looks like so. This is my very first eyeshadow from MAC, like a palette. So okay, so it has that magnetic closure, which I love, and it comes again with 6 shades. It has a mirror, okay, and the shade looks like this. Wow, cantik. Okay, so thank you so much MAC for this lovely giveaway. Okay, I'm sorry I won't be doing like that swatches for the eyeshadow. Okay, but I'm gonna move on. Okay, to the next products is actually from One Size. Okay, so One Size is a brand from Patrick star. I'm pretty sure that he is a YouTuber and he previously works at MAC Cosmetics. So he actually came out with a line, a cosmetics line, and it launched in Singapore probably this year or late last year. Okay, so it's called One Size Fits for All. And I have been wanting to get these, and this is a brand that you highly recommend me to try. Okay, so these are some of the products. Unfortunately, I did not get the eyeshadow, okay, because to me it doesn't really speak me. So with that being said, I will not like review any eyeshadows from One Size. Okay, so the items that I got is eye popper, and it's in the shade Pea House. Okay, okay, so it looks like so. Okay, so it's an eye popper sparkle vision eyeshadow. Okay, I choose this shade because it has that rose gold finish shade. I'm pretty sure they came out with a few shades, but this caught my attention the most. Okay, wow. Once again, this is the brand that you recommend or you want me to try. Okay, so we move on. Okay, so the next item is Point Mid, and it's the gel eyeliner 24 hours, and it's in the shade Bodacious Black. Okay, so we move on to the next products, and it's the Point Mid 24 hours liquid eyeliner pen. Hey, oh my god, I just about to ask my sister-in-law because she's the one who ordered this. So okay, so both is Bodacious Black, and I bought 24 hours liquid eyeliner pen and gel eyeliner pencil. That is probably one reason why the two boxes are different. Oh my god. Because the shade name is the same, so I thought I bought like, you know, two. Anyway, this next product is Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil, and I got in the shade medium brown. Okay, so this is definitely a new product from them, and I have a thing for like very micro pen, like brow pencil, especially for eyebrows like mine. I really love like this kind of brow pencil. Okay, so I definitely will give it a try and will let you guys know. The next product is Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer. Okay, okay, and it's in the shade medium 2 rosy undertone. Okay, I could not find any warm undertone, so I guess this is like the right shade. I'm not quite sure, but at least okay, so it feels, it's quite thick. Okay, I will definitely. Okay, oh, it doesn't really have a lot of scent to it. Oh, it feels very thick, dia punya formula. And okay, I will definitely need to try. Wow. Okay, this is something that I realized is it has that liquid to powder punya finish, so it feels very velvety. So what I am looking forward to try this concealer is if should I like use powder on top of this concealer. So this is actually quite interesting. So we move on to the next one. It's the Turn Up the Base. Okay, it's a foundation powder and it's in the medium dark 2, medium 10 neutral rosy undertone. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is one of the viral punya product from One Size. Okay, and this is also highly raved from all over the internet. So I'm looking forward to try this. It has a good size mirror and the packaging seems very unique. Okay. Oh, it feels so soft. Wow. Okay, I'm pretty sure I need like a cup of coffee because my energy is like going down. Okay, I just finished my, FYI, I just finished a live with my friend, so the energy is really there. So okay, so moving on to the next brand that you want me to try is from Huda Beauty. This, when I actually post up in Instagram, this is the highly raved or highly requested brand. So it's Huda Beauty. Okay, so the first product is from Huda Beauty is the Glowish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder, and it's in the shade 10 Light. Okay, so this is something that I use. I just put the product back in the box. Okay, I've used this and it is awesome. Okay, you have to swirl them and apply it as such. Okay, the material has that like plasticky punya feel to it. Okay, the next product from Huda Beauty is, this is a sample size. Okay, and it's in the it's the Multi Dew Skin Tint, and it's in the shade medium. Okay, I remember when I purchased this in Sephora, they are actually giving a free samples from Huda Beauty if you purchase any item from them. Okay, the next product is the Blush Hydra Plumping Lip Balm, and again this is the deluxe size. Okay. Okay, so the next product is the Glow Obsession, and it's the mini palette visage, and it's in the shade medium Glow Obsession. Okay, I remember back then Huda Beauty came up with like those big palette. I did not get that because to me, at that point of time, I don't really, I wanted it, but then the reviews are like ups and downs. So yeah, now I wanted to try, and this is the newest one. I did not get like the brow or mascara because I actually wanted to get like the advent calendar, like for holiday 2021. So we shall see. Okay, so again it has a mirror, and this is how the shade looks like. Okay, I'm going to swatch one of the shade. Okay, oh, it feels so soft. Look at that, cantiknya. And last but not least is the Water Jelly Hydrating Primer, and this is the sample size. Okay, so this next item is actually from Grab Bags, from a local influencer in Singapore. So she normally do like a Grab Bags worth about a certain amount, and you receive more than that. So these are the items that I got. Okay, so it's called Detoxy. Okay, it's a made for city life hydrating and sanitizing hand and cuticle cream with marula oil, manuka oil, coconut oil, moringa oil, turmeric extract, and neem extract. Butterfingers, literally. Okay, such a cute packaging. One thing about me is that I do not know how to like appreciate like wordings here. I am that kind of person who like a very simple packaging, so I'm all about that. So this is something just to let you guys know. Okay, so we move on to the next product. Is a Dr. Dennis Gross. Okay, it's a Hyaluronic Marine Melt Away Cleanser. Okay, next is this is a brand that I started to like. It's called Glow Recipe, and I'm pretty sure this is their newest product, something like that. And this is highly raved by James Welch here in YouTube, and it's called the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tight Facial. One thing that I remember what James Welch said is that this clay mask, it doesn't, it doesn't feel too drying. It says what it says here. Okay, it's pore clay. It's a help to tighten up your pores, and so forth. You can actually visit to James Welch channel subscribe to his channel because he actually did a very good skincare punya tips and product recommendation. Okay, so we move on to the next product, and it's called Mercier. Okay, and it's a pure canvas primer. Okay, I will not do I will not open this because I think I have a lot of primer, and this probably I will end up as a giveaway. Okay, so the next product that I received is Bobbi Brown. Okay, I love anything Bobbi Brown. Okay, it's Intensive Skin Serum Radiance Primer SPF 25. I guess I'll be doing like a one brand tutorial, a one brand review from MAC, because again I actually received a Prep and Prime lip. Didn't I just get that during the giveaway? I might be giving this to one of you guys. Is okay from Makeup Forever. Okay, I know this is a highly recommendable brand. Okay, so it's the Rouge Artist Shine On. Okay, and it's the sculpting lip color, and it's in the shade 234 Electric Pomegranate. Okay, I know that this shape is very unique. Okay. And I love my lipsticks. I have a few lipsticks. Okay, so it looks like this. This is my very first Makeup Forever lipstick. Oh, wow, it has that fragrance, you know. Macam atas-atas punya fragrance. You know, it smells like when you pass by this one like office lady. Oh, orang kaya apa dia ni? It smells like that. Yeah, which I love. But you know, smells like I couldn't afford. Anyway, that's my description. Okay, so we move on to the last product. This next product is not in Singapore. It's only available online. Okay, and it's the Zara punya line, makeup line. They actually came up with like, there's eyeshadow, bronzer, blush, highlighter, eyeshadows, mostly lipsticks. And Zara makeup cosmetic is something that I've been wanting to try because of one of the reason. Also is because of the packaging. But what I did not realize is that it doesn't have any like names to it. Which if like let's say you want me to recommend what shade this is, and this is the like grab bags, right? So Jannah, what shade are you using? I don't know. It's the red shade. Oh, it's the red matte shade. Kau pandai lah cari. And that is the only drawback from this Zara punya collection. So that's my first impression. It doesn't have any name, so it's very difficult for me to recommend to you guys. The smell is nice too. So yeah, that's my only issue. So I have at least 2 Zara lipsticks now. FYI, I'm still going to buy. I'm just saying, okay? And with that, the last product is from Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. Okay, I have been wanting to try Glow Recipe for a while. I have like at least a good 1 or 2 products. So now that I have more, it's no reason for me to try Glow Recipe brand. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching my unboxing. I truly appreciate it. Okay, some of the swatches that I said I want to do, I didn't. I'm sorry. Okay, so that is all. Okay, so if there is any like brands that you want me to do first, let me know in the comment section down below. Otherwise, please like, and I really hope that you enjoy this video. It's a very mini unboxing for me. So yeah, I thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.